Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm a contributor here at DirtyShirt.info. Today we're going to change a flat tire in 2 minutes. Here's the equipment that comes with the car. It's got one space saver, spare tire, one jack, and one tool. Back here, this car has 4 lug nuts. One of them is a locking lug nut. That's a security feature to keep the wheel from being stolen. It has this individual part with a pattern in it that matches from here to here. This fits on the wrench, slides on. That's how you get it off. Before we lift the car up on the jack, what we need to do is break the lug nuts loose. That'll keep the wheel from spinning on us, okay, when we try and use the wrench here. Notice how short it is? We have to try and maximize our leverage here, and here's how we're going to do it. There's one. If you have to, put it straight up and down or as straight as you can. Come back on it and kick it. If you can, block one of the wheels that you're not working on so that the car doesn't shift, okay? Got to block up here, okay? There's a slot here, and there's also a special spot on this car, and it's right between 2 of these little notches that the manufacturer's placed in the vehicle. Come in, start to turn this until it grabs. The wrench comes in, turn, start lifting. The car's been lifted, the lug nuts are loose. We're going to stand up and we're going to give this a big shake to make sure it's not going to fall off the jack before we remove the tire. Good to go. Remove the lug nuts. Okay, old tire comes off. New tire goes on. Put your lug nuts on, finger tight. Spare tire's on. Lug nuts are finger tight. The jack has been lowered and almost ready to come out. Now we're going to tighten the lug nuts while the tire's on the ground so that it doesn't spin on us in the same fashion as we took them off, by standing on the wrench. Thanks for watching.